I'm Matt Ranieri from Aquify Pools. I've been in the pool industry for 18 years. We use Reece in our day-to-day operations to help us get things out to site that we need for clients, get things quickly and help us install pools for our clients. Aquify Swimming Pools install fiberglass swimming pools for families across Sydney. We've been in operation for nearly 18 years now. Nothing's better than giving a family a brand new swimming pool for us. It's useful to have so many different branches because Reece often will keep stock of things that we need on site. We've got a lot of different sites running at once, and no matter where that site is, we know there's a Reece store nearby where we can go and pick up items or go and get assistance. Quite often things will change quickly. If we can quickly get something out to a site, perhaps we hadn't planned to be at that site that day, but all of a sudden we have a gap in our schedule, Reece can support us by getting whatever we need out there to keep the job going.
My name's Nick, branch manager at Reece Irrigation Pools in Brookvale. I've been in irrigation pools for 2.5 years and with Reece for 11.5 years. I enjoy managing this branch because it's something different every day, the problem solving and working with customers like Aquify, helping them find solutions for what they're doing on site. Aquify rely on Reece to have the right products in the right spots, knowing that wherever they are, wherever the pools are being installed, they can call us and have a delivery that day or the next day.
I'm Tim Ranieri, Director of Aquify Pools. Reece helps us deliver better outcomes for our clients with their flexibility of service and great product. They also have a great follow-up service. If there are any issues, they're very fast to get on top of them and sort them out for us. An example of a time Reece helped us solve the challenge was when we were expanding our range and our services in landscaping areas. We had a lot more products that we needed to use. Reece made it very easy for us by agreeing to supply us with all of the little consumables that we were previously getting from a number of different suppliers. Having a supplier that understands our workflow makes a big difference to the efficiency in our business. Reece will stock products that we need on a regular basis and make an effort to find out how much we need and also the fluctuations of that depending on the time of the year.
The Reece network helps us deliver consistently for customers like Aquify by having the right products in the right spots. We work really well together as a group and rely on each other, and we all treat customers like they're our own. Whether they're in our area or someone else's area, we treat them like they're our own. As a result of our relationship and the network and what we've built with Aquify and the product holdings, they've been able to be much more efficient on site. They've even talked about taking away the warehouse because we keep all the products for them. So instead of guys driving all around Sydney, they can be on site and the products just turn up for them, making a much smoother day for them.